Camera. Volume controls
G'day,
hidden.
blindies. Well, something's happening in the neighbourhood. Hear that? Let's have a bit of a listen, shall we? I can't show it because that's not cool. Hear this thing? Is that mad or what? Just a couple of test runs. Sounds pretty insane, doesn't it? Still haven't run into another gear, but that's running wicked. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Can't show you the buggy, but I can at least let you have a listen like I can. It sounds really good. So how's that? And it's a twin seater, so when it is all sorted out properly, I will take a run. There you go. There we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Here we go again. Right next to the other side of the van there. So there you go, guys. How noisy is that? Pretty crazy, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed. Keep your tyres turning.
Camera. 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 Overview button.